Oh, we're gonna reverse more. All the way back, huh? We're blocking traffic, so let's see if I can edit my route quickly before this light turns green. I guess I shouldn't exit because I won't be able to rehail. Maybe I can try to go to like North Beach, see if it'll take me like through the hole in the geofence. Wait a second, what happened? Oh no, that's the pickup spot. Shoot. Come on. Where are you headed? North Beach. Looks good. All right, come on, let's go.
Heading to new destination.
So, oh, it's okay. It's had the right blinker on for a second. Yeah, we're driving through a good chunk of Soma, which is interesting. I think the unfortunate part is I don't remember exactly what I did in the app to let me select the previous location that was out of the geofence. So maybe I'll let it take me to the Embarcadero, and then I'm gonna probably change the destination and the ride or something. Okay, it needs to get into the left lane here. Okay, we're a bit confused. We're putting on the right and left blinker. It looks like, okay. It's definitely some interesting driving. It's not going to show up on the camera, but the driver next to us is giving us some side eye at, this kind of awkward attempt to get in. So it's a green light for the left lane. We're kind of, we've got the left signal. Oh, nope. All right, we're not gonna go for it. And the remote assistance message just came up and went away. The right arrow for the lane we are in has just turned green, but we're not moving because I guess because, yeah, maybe the planner really wants to be in the left lane, but it's a red light, so it's not supposed to cross the stop line or something. Though I think
be sure to keep your hands in warm.
I think we are actually slightly over the stop line here, so if I were driving, I would just, even if the light briefly turns red shortly after you get over, I would still go through the intersection, and it's still legal in California to do so, I believe. Well, now there's cars behind us in all lanes. We're kind of doing a brake hop with no turn signals on. But, alright, this is our chance. Left turn signal, nope. Not gonna go for it. And the remote assistance message came back up on the display. Getting flashed at. at least there's 2 right turn lanes so that people, people can still make progress. All right. Remote assistance is reversing our car. Oh. Okay. Oh, now there's traffic. What is going on here? Okay, so now we're like far enough back that, I guess maybe it gives us a bit more room to get, we're gonna reverse more. Jesus. All the way back, huh? So I gotta say, like, when remote assistance is helping the car, it does get very jerky. I think they're only doing trajectories, but, okay, we've got the left signal on. All right, come on. There we go. Oh, shoot. We're like weirdly in the oncoming lane, I think. Okay, there we go. Now we're straightening out. Cool. Well, and of course now the screen tells us your ride is back on track. Yes, I would agree it's back on track, but what a strange experience. All right, let's get moving. Here we go. So we're, all in all, I feel like this Soma driving is like fine, I guess. I mean, I think we're definitely, Cruise is doing fine passing like weirdly parked cars, and I think those interactions are all fine, but it was just that lane change that it couldn't make. But, really wanted to get into that lane instead of rerouting, because the lane that it was in would have gone onto the freeway. That would have taken the car, definitely taken the car out of its ODD, and probably at that point would require a human to rescue, would be my guess. So it's a good save by the remote assistant. Okay, so now we're back on the Embarcadero. This is like the publicly accessible service area, so I think I'm gonna pick a closer destination and then just call it a night. I think that's enough excitement for one cruise ship trip.
Heading to new destination.
Pretty good. We're getting the full 25 on Embarcadero. Okay, a bit of an awkward brake tap getting into the turn lane. It's not clear what that was for.
Please stay buckled up until we stop and grab all your things.
So the drop-off spot is kind of in this weird elbow. Okay, what are we doing?
We've arrived.
All right, we're good. So one more quick thing while we're here. This is a tablet in the front of the car, which is also like the normal Chevy Bolt infotainment. And interestingly, it has this toolbar at the bottom that has like, I don't know what this is, like directions, phone, home, music, and like speed or something. And for reference, I have app version 0.11.18, if this will ever focus.